Everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful elastic scrunchie. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chains. Skip this chain. Go to next chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn. Hold this yarn on your hook. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, hold yarn on your hook. Make one loop in each stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yarns on hook. In here, make one chain, pull up yarn and make one chain in last chain. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through. 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 Continue. This is first row. In here, take this loop on your hook, take front loop. Insert your hook into this stitch, take this yarn on your hook. Make one loop. Take this yarn on your hook like this. Fix this yarn. Take this yarn on your hook. Yarn over, pull up yarn. Take this yarn on your hook. Go to next stitch, take this yarn on your hook. Make one loop. Take this yarn on your hook. Take this yarn on your hook. In last stitch, take this yarn and this 2 yarns on hook. Pull up yarn, make one loop. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 20. 2 yarns on hook. In here, in last loop, make one chain, pull up yarn and make one chain, yarn over, pull through 1 2 3 yarns, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, pull through 3 yarns, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns, pull through last 3 yarns. Now we have 2 yarns on hook, pull through together. In here, take these 2 yarns, 1 2, unhook like this, yarn over, make a loop, take this yarn, unhook, insert your hook, take these yarns, unhook, make one loop, take this yarn, continue like this. In here, take these loops, unhook, 1 2, make one loop. We have 22 loops, unhook, yarn over, make a chain, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, pull through 3 yarns, pull through, pull through, pull through, and pull through these 2 yarns together. Continue same as before row. Take these yarns, make one loop, take these yarns, make a chain, pull through 3 yarns, we have elastic pattern. fold it, join these sides together, insert your hook into first chain, take this yarn, pull up yarn, make one chain, a slip stitch, and join these sides together, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, like this. This is front of work, this is back of this work. Fold this work from here, insert your hook into this stitch, a slip stitch, take this stitch, these yarns on your hook, a slip stitch, and join these sides together. And fixed yarn in last stitch.